Hello there! Welcome to a new cake video from Mia's Yummy World. This is for everyone who loves the fresh fragrance and taste of oranges. Who doesn't like oranges? This is a simple eggless cake with tons and tons of orange flavor. It's beautifully soft and light and an absolute joy to eat. To start, take the zest of 2 small oranges or 1 large orange. Wash the oranges really well before taking the zest. We are looking at about 2 teaspoons of fresh orange zest. And we'll also need 1/4 cup of orange juice for later. Keep this aside and take a clean large bowl and add 1/2 cup of oil or melted unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of plain yogurt at room temperature, and 3/4 cup of sugar, and combine well until the sugar dissolves. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there. I'm glad to have you here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipe videos or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, welcome back, and my heartfelt thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported me. It may just be a little click of the button for you, but it means a lot to me, so thank you very much. Now back to our recipe. It's now a good time to preheat your oven. Into the bowl, now sieve and add 1 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of cornflour. If you don't have cornflour, just add 1 1/4 cup of plain flour. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Combine all the ingredients well. You don't really need an electric whisk, just combine it with a wooden or a silicone spatula like this. To this, add 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature, and as an optional ingredient and to enhance the orange flavor, add 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Mix all these ingredients into a smooth batter. Now it's all well combined, and to enhance the flavor of the cake even more, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally the 2 teaspoons of orange zest which we prepared earlier. Fold in very gently, and then our batter is ready. Pour the batter into a lined and greased cake mold and tap twice to release any air bubbles. Bake the cake in the center of the oven only in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the cake pan or toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is baking, I'm making something else. This is totally optional. I'm going to make an orange filling for the inside of the cake. Take 2 cups of orange juice in a pan and add 4 tablespoons of fine granulated sugar or powdered or icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well to dissolve any lumps and cook this on medium flame until the sauce thickens. The idea is to boil the juice and reduce to 1 cup in the consistency of a thick sauce or jam. Please feel free to skip this as it's totally optional, and you can use orange jam or any jam of your choice to fill the cake. When the sauce thickens and coats the back of the spoon like this, turn off the flame and keep aside to cool. Make sure to stir in between. Our orange cake is now well baked. As the pin has just come out clean, keep this aside to cool for later room temperature. This cake is just perfect without any icing, but if you really like to do the icing, I'm using a 200 grams of soft cream cheese with 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Whisk it until thick. You don't need a lot of fresh cream or cream cheese for this cake, as it will mask the taste and flavor of the oranges. Just a thin layer of coating of cream cheese icing is perfect. I have sliced the cake to 2 layers and added the orange filling to the first layer or the bottom layer, covered by the cream cheese frosting, and the final layer on the top, and a thin layer of cream cheese icing all around the cake. The cake has a beautiful smell of oranges, and it is so fresh and delightful to eat. Hope you like this simple cake as much as me and my family did. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and see you next week with yet another easy home recipe. Until then, take care and bye bye from Mia's Yummy World.